Moby Max Math? Let's go.
Which of the following numbers has the greatest value?
493, 295, 731.
295. Which of the following numbers has the greatest value?
184, or 188, or 182. 188.
1. Which of the following numbers has the smallest value?
Okay, 287, or 272, or 291. 272.
200. Which of the following numbers has the greatest value?
395, 921, or 468. And
395. Which of the following numbers has the smallest value?
415, 500, 514, 419.
415 is less than.
Next.
In this lesson, we'll solve greater or less than word problems with 3-digit numbers.
Okay, next.
Zeke counted all the stars he could see on Thursday and Friday night. He counted 145 stars on Thursday night and 167 stars on Friday night. On which night did Zeke see fewer stars?
Thursday night.
145 is. Meadowbrook Elementary School had a contest to see whose class read the most books in a month. The table below shows the number of books each class read. Did Mr. Green's class or Mrs. Mortazavi's class read fewer books?
Mr. Green's class.
515 is less than 701. Mr. Green's class read fewer books than Mrs. Mortazavi's class.
Okay.
Darcy the dragon has a large collection of treasure hidden in her dungeon. She counted the number of emeralds, diamonds, and gold coins in her collection and recorded the information in the table below. Which type of treasure does Darcy have the most of?
Type of treasure. Emeralds, diamonds, or gold coins? Gold coins.
240. Lily and Gio both played the violin. They each counted the number of musical notes they played at a concert. Lily played 578 notes, and Gio played 278 notes. Who played fewer notes at the concert?
Gio or Lily? Gio.
$278 is less than 578. Creamy Cones had a sale on all ice cream flavors last week. The table below shows the scoops Creamy Cones sold. Did Creamy Cones sell more scoops of Mint Madness or Strawberry Swirl?
Strawberry swirl. Yeah.
4.
Next. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna make a certificate now. Okay, after I'm gonna take a certificate. When you get a certificate, it means you've done enough lessons to get a certificate. For me, it's for completion of 3 lessons in math. Okay, I'm gonna pick the green next, and the star next. Okay, now I'm gonna take a shot screen.
In this lesson, we'll add and subtract within 100 using models with no regrouping. Let's start by adding 47 plus 31. To add 2 numbers with block models, we'll represent each of the add-ins with blocks. Then we'll put the blocks together to find the total. 47 has 4 tens, so I'll draw 4 10 blocks. It has 7 ones, so I'll draw 7 1 blocks. Now we can add some more blocks for 31. 31 has 3 10s, so I'll draw 3 10 blocks. It has 1 1, so I'll add 1 more 1 block. Now we need to find the total number of 10s and 1s. Let's reorganize the blocks so the 10s are together and the 1s are together. So how many 10 blocks do we have all together? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s. And how about our 1s? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. Let's go ahead and put those 10s and 1s together. Now, it might be easy to think we're just adding 7 plus 8. But remember, we're adding 7 10s, which is 70, to 8 1s. 7 10s and 8 1s make 78. That means that 47 plus 31 equals 78. Now let's use block models to help us subtract. To use block models to subtract, we start by drawing blocks to represent the larger number. Then we take away the smaller number and count the blocks that remain. We're subtracting 85 minus 64, so let's start with 85. 85 has 8 10s, so I'll draw 8 10 blocks. It has 5 1s, so I'll draw 5 1 blocks. Now I can take away 64. 64 has 6 10s, so I'll take 6 of these 10 blocks away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We subtracted 6 10s, and now there are 2 10s left. Now let's subtract our 1s. 64 has 4 1s, so let's take away 4 of these 1 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We subtracted 4 1s, and we have 1 1 left. Let's put those 2 10s and 1 1 together. Remember that 2 10s is 20, so 2 10s and 1 1 makes 21. That means that 85 minus 64 equals 21. Let's use block models to solve a couple more problems. This time we have 52 plus 13. 52 has 5 10s, so I'll draw 5 10 blocks.
Okay.
It has 2 1s.
Right. Okay, let's go.
Use the model to add.
45 plus 52 equals 97. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Yeah, 97.
To use the model to
Okay.
use the model to subtract.
64. 64.
Use the model to add.
Okay. 84. 84. 84.
To use the model to add.
79. 79.
Use the model to subtract.
37 minus 22. 11. No, yeah. 15. I did. Next. Okay.
In this video, we'll add and subtract within 100 using place value with no regrouping. Let's start by adding 65 plus 24. We want to add 10s to 10s and 1s to 1s. To do that, we can rewrite our equation vertically with the place values lined up. Our 1s places are lined up and our 10s places are lined up. To find the sum, we can just add each place value. In more complicated problems, we'll want to start with the 1s. So let's do that here as well. 5 1s plus 4 1s is 9 1s. And now we can add our 10s. 6 10s plus 2 10s is 8 10s. That means that 65 plus 24 is 89. Next, we have a subtraction problem. 48 minus 31. Again, let's rewrite this vertically so our place values are lined up. To find the difference, we need to subtract the 10s from 10s and the 1s from the 1s. Let's start with the 1s again. 8 1s minus 1 1 is...
Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.